Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.
Good morning, Burke, Virginia. Concrete driveway project. We're going to remove and replace this existing asphalt, form it up, get it ready for pouring. The plan is to remove, form up, and then get this ready to pour tomorrow. My main man Omar's here with the team. Got the T190 Bobcat track loader. Got the concrete hammer attachment. Got everything we need over here. Dump truck scheduled later today to come by, load up the asphalt driveway material, and we're gonna be golden. My main man, Omar. We're gonna put a little grease in that machine. Yep. Yep. And we're all set. You can always count on Omar to have this thing planned tight. Load that material up and get it out of here. Omar is strictly business. There you go, get it up there. You always got to have some help, man. Throw it in the bucket. Get it loaded up, form it up, get ready to pour. Nice work. Oh yeah! Yesterday we ran out to this job site, removed the existing asphalt and concrete, formed this up, graded it all, compacted it, put down our wire mesh, and we got concrete coming in this morning at 8:30. Looks nice. Easy peasy. Omar and the team are awesome. Getting it done. Looks good. Ready to roll. Real nice. Real nice. Good morning. Fairfax, Virginia. Removed the existing asphalt and concrete. Got her all formed up. Got the wire mesh down. Got everything compacted. We're going to pour some concrete this morning at 8:30. cut in our joints, edge everything up, bull float it. 8:30. By 2 o'clock, everything should be down. Return tomorrow, strip the forms, clean up the edges, make everything look nice, sweep the place up, and getting ready for some heavy-duty action. We got the E-team out here. My man Omar breaking out the fiber mesh. Fiber mesh and wire. Double extra power. Omar, did you order 10 yards? 12 yards? How many bags per yard?
1 bag per yard.
Cool. So we throw the fiber mesh in there, you got the wire mesh on the ground. That's going to give it extra strength for the concrete. Getting set up, put the chutes down. Omar, you're giving extra, generalmente no lo haces así. I mean, para mortier, lo cuidas en mortier. Cool.
Sí, lo estoy haciendo ahora.
Oh yeah, para extra. Nice touch.
This is 4,000 PSI.
Right. Put some water on the chute. You hose down the garage a little bit so any splatter any concrete splatter gets on that, you can hose it down real quick. Here we go. Great, pouring out that concrete, 4,000 PSI, got some fiber mesh in it with the wire that's going to give it additional strength. Getting close to it, using the come-alongs to pull down the concrete to get to grade. Got some grade pegs set up so that the concrete will maintain the height that we want. New sidewalks are going to look beautiful, curved, pulling up the wire as we pull down the concrete. The fiber mesh and the 6x6 number 10 wire is going to give the concrete additional strength. Omar, see how he's just running that chute? You don't want your concrete to get too high. You want to make it easy for your guys. And as he's pouring out his concrete, he's lifting up the wire. You want your wire in the middle of the concrete. Pulling the truck out. There you go. Nice job. The man on the chute can make your life easier. He's directing the truck to pull down, hold back, hold tight. And see that little grade peg in the center right there? That's the height of our concrete, top of our concrete, right there where his hand is. Lifting up the wire. Pulling forward, pulling forward. That's good. Boom. All right, perfect. 4,000 PSI concrete going down. It's really rich. It looks good. Straight edge is getting the concrete level with the edges, the outside edges of the new sidewalk. You see, pulling it down, get it level. We don't want a crown on that. You want it level. After he gets it close, we'll come back, do the edges, hit it again, then do the bull float. You got the master jumping on it now. Omar over there. He's good. Known him maybe 5 years. He's got skills. He's got some real skills. The pouring of the concrete is, even though it's hard work, it goes fast. A quality product is turned in when you've done great prep work. You've got your forms laid out, you got your grades set up, they're kicked off so they don't move on you. Omar running the straight edge, getting the concrete level, and the guys with the come along are pulling down the concrete where it's too high. Looks good. Put down the rest of the wire and they'll run out the rest of the concrete for the driveway. To the other side, he'll pull that down. Everybody works together, they pull it down so the man on the screed, on the straight edge, doesn't have to kill himself. They can all see it. They can see where they're high and they pull it down. Now my man's going to jump on it with the bull float. It's got a little ability to twist, so when he pulls back, the bull float tilts in the other direction. And what he's doing right now is pushing the aggregate down into the concrete. And when he does that, the cement comes to the top. Yeah, Omar is got a great team. He's been doing this a while. Nice. Looks good. He's got skills. Beautiful work. And over there, he's starting to edge the concrete. He's got the edging tool in his right hand over there by the driveway. So it gives you a clean, finished look. Looks really nice. Edging that concrete, make it look nice. That helps push all the aggregate down and gives you a nice clean edge. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look how nice and clean that's getting. Running that edger on the side, see? Look at that beautiful work. You just keep working it. It's not even, it's about an hour old. Couple more hours. I'm gonna jump on it with the joiner, cut some control joints, make it look nice. I'm back, baby, and it looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice. Looks good. Yep, put concrete on the edges. Nice. Light room finish, control joints cut, nice and straight. Got the edges looking good on the concrete. Nice work. New driveway complete. Hello, thank you for the job. See, we put a little topsoil down, seed and straw. Make it look nice. Right? That's what we want to do. Put the mulch down on the front. Tidied up the yard. It looks nice. Thank you very much.
Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.